Hello, everyone! Welcome to Easy English Journey. Easy steps, great English.
Get ready to have fun and fall in love with sports. Learn exciting sport words while enjoying the energy of the game. Let's play and learn together. Soccer. 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 Basketball. 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 Cricket. 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 Tennis. 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 Baseball. 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 Table tennis. Table tennis. Table tennis. Volleyball. 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 American football. American football. American football. Golf. 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 Badminton. 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 Ice hockey. Ice hockey. Ice hockey. Rugby. 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 Boxing. 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 Formula One. Formula One. Formula One. Mixed martial arts. Mixed martial arts. Mixed martial arts. Wrestling. 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 Cycling. 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 Field hockey. Field hockey. Field hockey. Swimming. 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 Athletics. 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 Gymnastics. 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 Skiing. Skiing. skiing, snowboarding, 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 skateboarding, 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 surfing, surfing, surfing. Great job, little champs. Keep having fun and loving sports. Don't miss our next video to learn even more cool sport words. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.